job, Intel!
Alright, so today we're at the Albuquerque Balloon Festival. I almost forgot what it was called. People come from all around the world to check out balloons being flown. Some of the balloons have already started for the day, so I guess we'll check and see why people come from all around the world. So there's traffic as far as the eye can see.
Yeah, show them the traffic.
We got traffic all over the place. So people apparently really like these balloons. So this is a very well protected balloon event. Seems to be a lot of confusion with these traffic accommodations thus far.
They're signals.
But the signals aren't exactly working out, are they?
I don't...
Mass confusion, hysteria. We found some. We have an origami. Origami has been spotted here at the 2016 Albuquerque International Balloon Festival. We have our tickets. We're about to head inside. And the squeakiest wagon of the year award.
Scoring in that over those 11 towns. And that also means we have only...
What in the hell is that? So we've been here a total of about 10 minutes and I've already lost Daniel, which is a great start. Balloons are everywhere. Every time a couple balloons take off, some more fill their place and they just start filling them up almost immediately. It's like a non-stop balloon assault all day. Kind of crazy.
Fiesta.
It's just kind of like a weird feeling. Like you're surrounded with all these big balloons. You just keep hearing all those. Plus, you hear like those gas burning things consistently going off. You got these giant balloons all around you. This is it's definitely an experience. So behind me right now, the inside of a balloon. There's some other people in there. Looks like they're vlogging. If you ever wondered what the inside of a balloon looked like, you now know. I've been watching you, you've been hurting too. You give all your love, nothing left to show. Yeah, so there's actually a lot more to do than just obviously look at all these balloons. You can get turned up. There's bars and alcohol, food, gift shops, all kinds of different booths selling stuff, having raffles. It seems to be definitely the place to be in Albuquerque during this time of the year. Yeah, so overall, if you have nothing better to do or you like balloons, it's something cool to do and you're in the area, I would say definitely check it out. You can get beer, you can get food, there's giveaways, some good shopping, lots of cool balloons.
Fried everything.
Fried everything on Earth. So obviously this is the quick and dirty version. Overall, cool. Pretty cool. Check it out.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Check it out.